Hi YouTube, TheFullSetup back here with another tech unboxing. I've had to bring you to my lounge today because the box is quite big. These are my new monitors for my desk setup and to do some audio editing, and it's the Wavemaster 2 sound system. I just thought I'd show you the black at the beginning on the box, but my version are actually the white. Let's take you around the box some more. Here we've got all the different, we've got the pictures of the rear. Now if you have one of the older airport expresses like I've got, you can actually plug it directly into the back of it. It powers it, so you don't need a separate plug and straight in. And it's got all the different things on the back there. It's got a thing about all the connections, different devices you can connect it to. Here we go, here's the white, this is what I've got. I can't wait to get these out, it's going to look beautiful. And then to the side here we have some more product information. Get to English, it just says stereo speaker system, amplifier for connecting for your TV, iPod, iPad, iPhone, any other audio source. Brilliant and powerful audio reproduction. I've heard some very good reviews on them and I can't wait to get these out and test them. And then it's just got a less than 0.5 watt power consumption during standby. These do auto turn off, which is very good, and they're actually 60 watt, they're 30 watts each, these speakers. So I haven't done a box this big in a while. Let's figure out how I'm going to get this out. Don't want to damage your speakers. Here. Now these retail at about £250, these speakers. I really wanted some white and black, and I'm going for like a high contrast look at the moment, and that's why I kind of picked these above lots of others I was looking at. So in here you can see we've got some foam, polystyrene, keeping it safe, and then we have the two speakers in there, which I'm just going to take out and put to one side, and then I'll show you around them. So there's one speaker, and here's another speaker. What else is in the box? I'll show you inside the box. We have this bag of goodies, so let's get rid of that. And what is in the bag of goodies? We have a power cable, which is a European, so you will need a British one. Luckily I think I've got loads of these in my attic, so you will need a British one. I thought that was going to happen. And then in here as well you have some speaker wire for powering from one of the power devices to the other. And it looks to be a good few meters in there, so you're going to easily get these where you need to put them. Here you have some foam pads as well to stick underneath them, and they look like they've given you a couple of extra as well, just in case they ever come off. So that's very good. That's going to stop certain vibrations. And then you just have a simple instruction manual, but I'm sure you'll figure it all out. Right, let's get the speakers up on the desk, because this is what we want to see. Okay, so this is the... Oh, I'm just going to rip this open. They're not going back. I'm keeping these. So here we have the, I'll let you just have a good look at how good that is, the high gloss. We've got the black as well, you've got the driver here and the tweeter up the top. If white's not your fancy, like I said, you can get them in black, and to the rear they just have an exhaust port and then your internal connections. Now this is the main one, this is the one that we want to see. This is where it's got all your connections. And here you go, we've got the same on the front, and then to the rear you've got the output to the left speaker. You can change the voltage whether you want them on 230 or 110. You have the AC power on and off. You have auxiliary inputs, a 3.5mm input, USB power as well, so that's quite good. I'm actually going to hook a Bluetooth receiver up to that. I'm not going to go, I have got the Airport Express, I'm just not going to plug it straight into the back of it. And then there's also the, let me get you forward actually. So there's a bit for plugging in the Airport Express, and then you have bass and treble controls. I'll just let you take a look at the pair of them side by side. And there you go, you can just see absolutely how beautiful they are. Now I will be doing a review on these, but I'm really busy at the moment, so it probably won't be to the end of the month. Oh, I forgot to say, on the main unit you have a power light and also a volume. But as I was just saying, I won't really be reviewing these to the end of the month, but I really can't wait to play with them, so I will get a good full review out and some sound tests. Thanks for watching.